Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you how I created this high ponytail using clip-ins. So if you guys want to see how I created this fabulous ponytail, make sure you stay tuned to the video. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that bell. Okay guys, so let's get started. First thing first, I'm going to turn around so I can add my clip-ins to my hair. So first thing first, I am going to part my hair along the back. It's going to be from ear to ear, and I am going to place my clip-ins in, and I'm going to place them going upwards instead of downwards. So every clip-in till now, I am going to place them going upwards. And I believe I put about 6 clip-ins in my hair. And as you can see, again, I am placing my third clip-in in, and again, I face them upward so that my ponytail can be nice and sleek with no lumps. Okay guys, so my last 3 clip-ins, I am going to face them downward. And again, towards the top, this is going to basically again make my ponytail more sleek and with no lumps. So the last 3 clip-ins, again, I face them downward so that, you know, my ponytail, I can actually put my hair into a ponytail. Okay guys, so right now I'm gonna just kind of put my hair in a quick ponytail, and to sleek my hair down, I'm going to be using the Eco styling gel to slick my hair down. And to be honest with you guys, I kind of wish that I didn't use the Eco styling gel, because every time I use the Eco styling gel, it pretty much curls up my hair. So I wish that I just used the Got To Be Freeze spray. But I already put the gel in my head, so we're just gonna roll with that. Hey guys, make sure you support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and notification bell, so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely know about it. Okay guys, so right now I'm just using my brush to help me sleek down my hair a little better. And right now I'm just taking the ponytail out so I can put everything back into the ponytail. And guys, make sure that your hair is nice and sleek with no lumps. Again, I am using clip-ins, but my clip-ins are looking really good. I don't have any lumps, and I'm able to slick it down nice and neat. Hey guys, if you like this video so far, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Okay guys, so now that I have put my ponytail in, I'm going to use a little bit of the Got To Be Freeze spray to help slick it down a little more. As I stated in the beginning, I wish I just used the Got2b freeze spray to slick it down, because once I put the eco styling gel in my hair, it kind of made my hair a little curly. And again, I wish I would not have done that, but it is what it is, and we're just gonna move forward. Okay guys, so right now I am creating my baby hairs. And what is a good ponytail without baby hairs? Yes, you need your baby hairs. So right now I am creating them, and yeah, stay tuned to the rest of the video to see how this turns out. Hey guys, make sure that you head over to Instagram and follow me at mskeedybaby. I am very active on my Instagram page, so make sure you definitely go over to Instagram and follow me again at mskeedybaby. Okay guys, so now that I'm done creating my baby hairs, I'm going to try and take most of my hair, and I'm going to use my hair to wrap around the ponytail just to hide the rubber band that's in my hair. And again, all I'm doing is wrapping my natural hair around the ponytail, and I'm using the Got2b freeze spray to do that, to keep it and hold it in place. Okay guys, to give my hair a little oil, to give it a little shine, I am going to be using the olive oil, the oil sheen to give my ponytail a little shine. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Here is the finished look with the ponytail hanging. And yeah, you guys, I later on decided that I wanted to switch up my ponytail, and I pretty much turned my ponytail into a messy bun. So yeah, I decided to put a really cute messy bun in it. And yeah, you guys, stay tuned to see how my messy bun turned out. Okay guys, I thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and notification bell, so every time I come with a new video, you guys will definitely know about it. Also, make sure that you hit that like button if you like this video, and I'll see you in my next video.